Good evening, everyone. I'm Margaret Ann Carter in for Melanie Christopher.
And I'm Byron Brown. We begin with a WJTV 12 exclusive. For the first time, we are hearing from the father of the two children accused of killing their mother.
Eddie Isaac says he wants to get to the bottom of what really happened, and he wants both of his daughters to come home. WJTV 12's Shay O'Connor has this exclusive story.
I'm a 14-year-old and a 12-year-old. They really need to be at home.
It was a packed Pike County juvenile courthouse where a 12-year-old girl faced a judge. Also in court, her father, Eddie Isaac, hoping he'd get the chance to bring her home.
You know, from my understanding, my 12-year-old, I feel like she should be at home. She shouldn't be going back to Adams County in her right state of mind, and she's got her right state of mind.
The judge ruled she be brought back to jail instead. The 12-year-old and her 14-year-old sister, Ericka Hall, are accused of stabbing and shooting their mom, Ericka Hall, January 4th. Ericka is being held on a murder charge at Pike County Detention Center. Isaac is the father of both girls. He says the state cannot hold the youngest because of her age.
In the state of Mississippi, you cannot charge a 12-year-old with a capital murder charge or none of that. The judge wanted to release her. The prosecutor wanted to release her, but the counselor recommended her back to Adams County for some more mental help. And I don't think my daughter needs that.
Isaac says some instances leading up to the murder are still puzzling. He wants both daughters home with him. He had a message for the media.
I want them to know, the media to know. It's not what they thinking and what they talking about my 14 and 12-year-old. I never have a problem with them. They done stayed with me. They respected me. I ain't never had no problem with, had to whoop them or none of that. They always respected me. I didn't have this problem with them. Something led to this. It just didn't happen. So that's why I want to get to the bottom of it and get this over with.
Shay O'Connor, WJTV 12.
Pike County confirms the 12-year-old was sent back to an Adams County detention center. She is currently not being held on any charges because of her age.
Well, Ericka Hall's next court date is set for next month. We will continue to follow this story.